Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text fade effect in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click new slide drop down menu, then create a blank slide. Then go to insert menu and click this border drop down menu and choose any style of border. Now paste your text here. Now select this text and go to shape format menu. Then click text effect drop down menu. Then choose transform. Now you can see here are fade up. Now you can see I make text fade effect in Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.